Welcome back. Today we are looking at an expert's take on Yeego Beverage Refrigerator Drink Fridge 24-inch features. As a workshop owner managing a team of technicians, installers, and support staff, I understand the importance of investing in equipment that performs consistently day after day. Whether it's power tools, diagnostic equipment, storage systems, or breakroom appliances, reliability matters. Check the video description for the updated price link. The same principle applies when selecting a beverage refrigerator for a workplace, office, showroom, garage, or home entertainment area. After evaluating numerous beverage coolers, the Yeego Beverage Refrigerator Drink Fridge stands out as a premium solution for users who need substantial storage capacity, dependable cooling performance, and attractive built-in installation options. Designed as a 24-inch under-counter beverage refrigerator, this model offers storage for up to 180 cans while maintaining temperatures between 34°F and 54°F for businesses and busy households alike. This refrigerator delivers a combination of functionality, professional appearance, and reliable operation. It can easily serve employees during long workdays, customers in waiting areas, guests at home gatherings, or family members who appreciate cold beverages available at all times. One aspect I appreciate as a manager is equipment that requires minimal supervision. Once installed and configured, this beverage refrigerator performs its role quietly and efficiently, allowing the team to focus on more important tasks. If you are researching premium beverage storage solutions, you may also find this useful related product guide. The first feature that immediately attracts attention is the impressive storage capacity. With room for approximately 180 standard beverage cans, this refrigerator provides enough space for a busy office, workshop breakroom, home bar, entertainment room, or commercial environment. Instead of constantly restocking beverages throughout the week, users can organize inventory efficiently and keep drinks ready for employees, visitors, clients, or family members. Flexibility is another major advantage. The Yeego cooler supports both built-in under-counter installation and freestanding placement. This versatility allows owners to integrate it into custom cabinetry, kitchen islands, bars, office refreshment stations, or workshop lounge areas. For business owners planning future renovations, having both installation options provides additional value and convenience. The adjustable temperature range of 34°F to 54°F provides excellent flexibility for different beverage types. Whether storing soda, bottled water, sports drinks, beer, sparkling water, energy drinks, or wine, users can customize cooling settings according to their preferences. This adaptability is particularly useful in work environments where employees have varying beverage preferences. The transparent glass door allows users to quickly identify available beverages without opening the refrigerator repeatedly. This helps maintain stable temperatures and improves overall efficiency that in customer-facing environments such as showrooms or offices. The modern glass door design also creates a professional appearance. The adjustable shelf configuration allows owners to accommodate different can and bottle sizes. Whether organizing tall energy drinks, bottled beverages, wine bottles, or standard soda cans, the interior can be configured accordingly. The sleek exterior integrates well with contemporary kitchens, office breakrooms, bars, workshops, entertainment rooms, and commercial environments. The stainless styling and glass presentation create a premium look that complements professional settings. In my experience managing a team, equipment is judged by how it performs under daily use rather than how it looks in marketing materials. Employees access refrigerators frequently throughout the day, especially during warmer months. That constant opening and closing can expose weaknesses in lower quality units. The Yeego Beverage Refrigerator demonstrates strong cooling consistency. The interior recovers temperature efficiently after the door is opened, helping beverages remain cold and refreshing. Check the link in the description to get yours today.